Dear students, in the last section we have discussed cloud computing at a glance. In this section we will discuss vision of cloud computing. Cloud computing provides the facility to provision virtual hardware, runtime environment and services to a person having money. Means we have to only pay for the service, we can access that service from the cloud computing, and we can use that service as long as we need. We can use this service as long as we need, and there is no upfront commitment. Okay, and we can use this service for a day, for a month and for hours also. Okay, the long term vision of a cloud computing is that IT services are traded as utilities in open market without technological and legal barriers. In the cloud marketplace, the cloud service providers and consumers trading cloud services as utilities, means all the computer services is termed as a utilities, and we can use that utilities by providing the money to the cloud service providers. And these cloud computing services are used by different stakeholders for a variety of services. For example, the need for ubiquitous storage. Ubiquitous means found everywhere, and compute power on demand is the most common reason. Okay, the end user needs to store their data, as well as they can store process the information which is stored into the cloud. Okay, then a scalable runtime applications is the attractive option of the cloud computing, as well as the infrastructure. Virtual infrastructure services is also the common or the fundamental role of the cloud computing. Means we can use the infrastructure of the cloud, and we can focus on our business only. Okay, so this is the diagram of vision of cloud computing. See here, this is the global cloud marketplace, and these are the users of the cloud. So this first user says that I need to grow my infrastructure, but I do not know for how long. This user requires the cloud infrastructure, but he or she does not know how long. Okay, then I cannot invest in infrastructure. See here, the user has not invest on infrastructure because he is using the facility of cloud. He takes the infrastructure of the cloud on rent, and he is performing the task. Okay, then the next is, I want to focus on application logic and not maintenance and scalability issues. Okay, so all these maintenance and scalability issues is done by the cloud, and the user is only focus on the application logic or on the business only. Okay, this is the common user which want to access and edit the documents and photos from anywhere in the world and anytime, 24/7. These are the cloud service provider which provide the services to the users. Okay, so the first is, I have a lot of infrastructure. This person, cloud service provider, is having a lot of infrastructure, and he gives that services to the end user. Okay, this provider is having also a surplus infrastructure. This person is also having a surplus infrastructure as well as middleware, so he or she can host the applications, and this end user can use that applications. Okay, so this is the vision of cloud computing. Here all the computing services are used according to our demand, but the only thing is we have to pay for that. Okay, so thank you.